My role is to see you as successful as the Warren Buffets, Mukesh Ambanis, Ratan Tata is, Aziz Premji is, Chandra Shekhar is, Bill Gates is, or any other big name. Your task right now for this internship is I am directly asking you a question. How we can push growth rate, or the big question is how to maintain the growth rate. The challenge is we were growing at the rate of 6%, 7%. This is also the challenge. We will be able to maintain it or not. And the biggest is how to stop declining growth rate. We may not be growing at 6%, we may be growing at 4%, 2%, 0%, or maybe the negative growth rate. How to stop this and how to turn the wheel? That is a important question. What are your suggestions for it, and how practical these media or mods may be that you have to include in your report. Now, what would be the role of central and state governments, big corporate, and above all, your role as a student? How you can contribute to the growth of the economy? You can have your own idea. You can talk to your teachers. You can talk to the economists. If you think in your circle they are the economics, or maybe the finance people, maybe a person from the banking industry, or from mutual funds, or from insurance sector, or maybe from a corporate sector, those who deals with the finance, or they plan or they budget, they are holding the offices of key decisions, right? So you can talk to those people, those who are in your circle, and can come with a very fine note that these are the follow-ups which can be executed, and then we can have a positive growth rate. At least if it is not positive, at least the growth rate can be maintained. Now one thing I want to tell you before you make any report. I tell you the RBI provided a big amount of liquidity in economy just a month back, or within this a 1 month or 1.5 months. Now the question is, are businesses ready to take the further exposure? They are ready to take further loans. They are ready to put more in investments. Are they ready to expand when demand is slowing down? When the demand is slowing down, will the lower rates attract the borrowers? Now the RBI is continuously reducing the interest rates. Will that attract the borrowers? Now, for an example, can a car manufacturers announce buy today and by paying just 10% and rest after 2 years? You have to just pay. If you are buying a car of say 10 lakh rupees, then you have to pay only 1 lakh rupees, rest 9 lakh you will be paying after 2 years, that also in EMI, and that also without interest cost. There will be no interest will be charged. Will the consumer will get excited by such deals? Yes or no? Your answer can be yes, your answer can be no. But yes, why yes? And if no, why no? But if it is not going to work, what else is going to work? What else is going to work? Here I want to give you a big idea. Big idea, at least we cannot excite the customers, consumers, but yes, government can take the decisions. And I tell you how rich the Indian government is. Only let's talk about the railways. Let's start with one portfolio. Railway have large pool of land, large pool of rent. I explain it. The better person to explain this is